Ever wonder what goes on behind the scenes when you apply for a loan or a new credit card? It's not magic, folks. There's a whole system in place dedicated to tracking your financial history and translating it into a 3-digit number, your credit score. This magical number can make or break your chances of getting approved for credit, and it can even impact things like insurance rates and apartment rentals. So, who keeps track of all this information? That's where credit bureaus come in. These companies collect data on your borrowing habits, payment history, and even public records to create your credit report. One of the major credit bureaus is Transunuion, and today, we're diving deep to answer the question, how much does it cost to monitor your credit with Transunuion? Now, before we get into the nitty-gritty of pricing, let's take a quick detour. You might be surprised to know that you're actually entitled to a free credit report from each of the 3 major bureaus, Experian, Equifax, and Transunuion, every year. That's right, free. It's mandated by federal law, the Fair Credit Reporting Act. So, before you even think about paying for credit monitoring, make sure you're taking advantage of this free resource. Alright, back on track. So, what if you want to keep a closer eye on your credit than just once a year? That's where Transunion's credit monitoring service comes in. Here's the deal, for a monthly fee, Transunuion will track your credit report for changes and send you alerts if there's any suspicious activity. This can be helpful for catching identity theft early on or simply staying informed about any updates that might affect your credit score. But how much does this magic monitoring cost? Transunuion offers a single credit monitoring tier, priced at $29.95 per month, plus tax where applicable. For that price, you get unlimited access to your Transunuion credit report and score. No more waiting a whole year to see what's going on. Email alerts whenever there are critical changes to your report, like new accounts being opened in your name. Score Simulator. This nifty tool lets you see how potential financial decisions, like taking out a new loan, might impact your credit score. Up to $1 million in identity theft insurance. This can provide some peace of mind if you do become a victim of identity theft. Is it worth it? That depends on your individual needs. If you're constantly applying for new credit or are concerned about identity theft, then credit monitoring can be a valuable tool. However, if you're financially stable and have good credit habits, you might be okay with just checking your free credit reports once a year. Here's the thing, credit monitoring isn't the only player in the game. There are a number of free credit monitoring services available from banks, credit card companies, and even some personal finance websites. These services typically offer a more limited set of features compared to Transunion's paid option, but they can still be a good way to keep an eye on your credit without breaking the bank. The bottom line, do your research, compare your options, and decide what level of credit monitoring is right for you. Remember, you have the right to a free credit report every year, so take advantage of that. With that said, thanks for watching and until next time.